everyone, my name is Mustika Angelia and my student ID 2024-32053. Today, I would like to present my network security practicum about the implementation of Porcentray and Honeypot. In this presentation, I will first explain the implementation of Porcentray as an intrusion detection system, or EDS, which is used to detect for scanning activities on a network. After that, I will continue with the honeypot demonstration. Porcentry is a network security application designed to detect port scanning attempts from authorized user. Port scanning is a technique commonly used by attackers to identify open ports on a target system before launching an attack. By using Porcentry, administration can monitor space scanning activities because every detect event is recorded in the system log. The first step is install. The first is uh, install Porcentry on Kali Linux using the following command. Okay, this command sudo gives administrator privilege to execute the command. We have to update command update the page repository, ensuring the system has the specific information. Then an operator means that the installation process will only continue if the update process is successful. Okay, next is after installing Porcentry, I check the IP address of the Kali Linux mentioned by using the following command in IPA. This command display all network interface and IP address from the output. We can see the it has zero interface as the IP address. Yes, and this IP address will be used as the target for the scanning test from the Windows computer. Next, I switch to the Windows computer and verify the network connectivity by using the following command. Okay, this is command ping. Okay, the ping command is used to test whether the Windows computer can communicate with the Kali Linux machine. The result shows several replay from uh, message with no page close, indicating that both devices are connected successful and are on the same network. Okay, after confirming the connection, I return to Kali Linux and open the percentage configuration file using the command. Uh, okay. In this command, sudo provide administrator access. Lulana is the text editor used to modify the configuration file. The file contains the main configuration setting for Porcentry. Here, I configure Porcentry to monitor TCP and UDP scanning activity. Okay, next is okay. After saving the configuration, I start the Porcentry service by running the following command sudo system.out start Porcentry. This command start the Porcentry service so that it begins monitoring in-time network traffic. Okay, next enable the service start automatic call whenever the operating system boots by using the following command. Next is sudo system enable Porcentry. After that, I prepare whether the server is running correctly by using sudo system status Porcentry. Okay, the output So activity running, which means that the person tree service is running successful. It's only display the message person tree is now and listening, indicating the person tree is active monitoring to the network force-based activity. Now, I wish back to Windows Computer to simulate an attack using a map. Okay, this is the cloud. Okay, the unmap command is not for scanning tool. The is the open performance at the GP Connect scan. Will the min PN option tells I'm up to skip the host discovery process and assume that the target host is online, the target IP address, which is the call Linux mentioned. From the result, we can see that the target host is online, but all scan and TCP ports are in the failure state. It indicates the scanning activity did not receive response from the target system. Finally, I return to Kali Linux and check whether percentage has detected a scanning attempt. Okay, okay. Okay, we are running the following command. Command. This command displays the last 20 log entries generated by the percentage service. The general simple command is used to view system log, while the menu percentage option filters the log to show an only percentage activities. The tell and 20 command display only the most recently 20 lines, making it easier to identify the last event. Okay. Next, I want to explain the vertical honeypot. Okay. Next, I want to explain uh, about the honeypot. Okay. The first step is checking the IP address with the command EPA. The command display all available network interface and their IP address. Okay. Next, is uh, cloning the Curry repository. This command there is okay. So that gives administrator privilege get client download or the currently search code from GitHub. Next is creating the curry user. Okay, they create the curry user without the password. The user curry already exists indicates the account already exists. Then I run to the account and add curry. To change ownership and sudo curry to switch the curry account. Okay, next is creating and activating the virtual environment. Okay, okay. The first command create and select Python environment, and the second command activities is currently used to own the dependence. Next is installing dependence is pip install requirements. The installer or requirements Python which kicks from the requirement. Well, after creating the file mistake, the installation complete successful. Next is uh, configure query. Okay, okay, okay. The first command comes to default configuration file, and the second open is nano ID and configure. Listen endpoints to TCP 2222. And this allows Convery to accept SHA connection on port 222. Okay, next is start 7 is starting the honeypot. Okay. Uh, okay, this command start, stop, and restart the current honeypot service. Okay, next is verify the listening port. Okay. This check with her recovery is learning a TCP port 222. The upper listen 0 5T 00222 confirms that the service is running. Next is simulation SIH attack. Okay, okay. The unstable uh, an SI connection to the network. After connecting, I should comment such thousands such an HNHD, SHHD current respond with comment not found. Saying that is avoid a Linux system while recording every action. And next, fill the honeypot logs. Okay, okay. The comment constantly um display the last log entries. The log records the checker's IP address, execute command, log at event, and session duration. Okay, for conclusion, finally the practicum provide the query and honeypot is successful installed, configured, and execute. Uh, okay, that's all from me. Thank you.